still ngaqualify baze ba check indaba ukuthi emawuthi uveza ilento uzana ikhadi losunikiwe bayifunele
ngipost izithombe zabo abanye ngangipost izithombe zabo zasemcimbini wa last year yabo ezibrandiwe ezine logo ama comments nama request nama complaints amaningi regarding event mhlambe it is time to change and ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngiyabuka ama video enu ukuthi it is one of the biggest events akhona kuMaskandi and we cannot close umcimbi ngo11 ngo12 because laba vala ngo12 eCarter's Fountain abavala ngo11 sorry 11 cut off time yakhona isizathu salokho ukuthi phakathi namalokozana nama residents kuhlala abantu la yabo so ngo11 bayavala so next year we are definitely moving to another venue ezozivumela ukuthi aya kube umshawushile kulamule khona ukusa yabo so yeah that's that ngevenue etira hey azinina asivale yazi utira mina I do not understand ngempela ukuthi nimsuka ngani honestly speaking I've never had any contact or communication no Makoy yabo ngicabanga ukuthi nje udadewethu wayeqiwe amanzi and beside amanzi amponjwana I think wadideka nje yabo uma ukhuluma udiniwe ugcina izinto iphambana I think khona igama efuna ukulisho mhlawumbe efuna ukusho igama lami la kuMaskandi yabo kodwa kwafika igama lika Tira yawaphinda kaningi yawaphinda yena impela kaningi that's why ngithi I think usisi wayeqiwe amanzi yabo ngalalanga because uyabonakala nanokuthi I think they waphambaniseka mfethu wadideka but in to answer your question I do not have any relationship no Tira mina I've never empilweni yami worked with Tira we've never had any contact no Tira I just know umsebenzi kaTira nje and I appreciate umsebenzi wakhe and what he's done for music fraternity as a South Africa and what he has done for youth asebenze nayo but other than that I've never engaged with uTira in any form ngicabanga
no ngiyabonga kakhulu
yeah siqedile haw iyafethu
ayikhawo ukhuluma umuntu ebhanyaze eqhawo
yeah but
ayikhawo sibona stage lapho ukukhuzana mase stage lapho sibona ngemumva lapha impela kino kanono apha sebenza le ngqola
angaze ngithi